In this video, I'll show you how to change your name on Google Meet. Before we start, there's one important thing to know. In Google Meet, your display name usually comes from your Google account. Google's official guidance and Help Community answers indicate that there is no separate Meet-only name setting for signed-in users. So if you want your name to appear differently in Meet, you normally have to change the name on your Google account itself. First, let's look at the most common situation, which is joining Meet while signed into your Google account. If you are already logged in, the name people see in the meeting is generally your Google account name. So to change it, open your Google account settings, update your first and last name there, save the change, and then go back to Google Meet. In many cases, that updated account name is what will appear the next time you join a meeting. Some users also report that if they change the name while already in a meeting, they may need to leave and rejoin for the new name to show properly. Now let's talk about joining without signing in, because that works differently. Google's official Meet help says that if you join a meeting without a Google account, you can enter your name before asking to join. That means if you are joining as a guest, you can usually type the name you want people to see right on the join screen before entering the meeting. This is the easiest option if you only want to change the name for one meeting and do not want to edit your Google account details. Here's how that looks in practice. Open the Google Meet link or go to the Meet website and enter the meeting code. If you are not signed in, Google says you will be prompted to enter your name, then click Ask to join. Once the host admits you, that is the name that should appear in the meeting. If you are using a work or school Google account, there is one more thing to keep in mind. Your organization may manage your Google account profile, which means you might not be able to freely change your display name yourself. In that case, the name shown in Google Meet may be controlled by your admin or your account profile settings, not by something inside Meet. That is why some people do not see a direct option to rename themselves during a meeting. So the basic idea is simple. If you are signed in, change your Google account name because Meet usually uses that name. If you join as a guest without signing in, type the name you want on the join screen before you ask to join. That's how to change your name on Google Meet. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.